Do you analyze your company's service costs every month? Instead of complex Excel sheets and repetitive manual work, AI now summarizes and generates reports on its own. With SCRAP Studio Data Agent and AI Agent, once you set it up, analysis and delivery are handled automatically each month. First, review the monthly collected service billing data and customer list from your database. In the data editor, you can connect to various data sources, CSV files, databases, APIs, and more. Under Agent Data, select the Billing API and connect to view the data. Next, select and connect to the Customer Information API under Agent Data to access that dataset. Add SCLAB AI, configure it, and save. Then the AI will begin generating your reports. Click Data and choose both the billing data and the customer information datasets. Verify the connections, then navigate to AI Agent at the top. Add a new agent, enter a name, select the data sources to connect, and open the Agent Editor. From the menu, drag the date trigger block onto the canvas and click its Editor button. Configure the schedule, set the start and end dates and times, give it a name, and click OK. Create a data fetch block from the menu and link it to the date trigger. In the bottom right, select your variables and enter the ones the agent will use. Open the Data Fetch Editor. Choose the Customer Information dataset, run it, and review the results. Add a for each block and connect it to the Data Fetch block. This block runs once for each record in your data. Create a variable extract block inside the for each block and connect it to the start. In the Variable Extract Editor, run it. When the output is empty, select the fields in the input panel on the right and configure which variables to extract. Run the extraction again to confirm the output values. Add another data fetch block inside the for each block and link it to the variable extract block. Run this data fetch editor, review the data, and bind the customer ID to a variable. Insert an LLM block inside the for each block and connect it to the data fetch block. In the LLM editor, run it to display the input data, select All, enter your detailed prompt instructions, set the output format to HTML, and specify that no further explanation is needed. Add a file block inside the for each block and link it to the LLM block. In the file block editor, choose HTML as the file format. Create another variable extract block inside the for each block and connect it to the file block. Click Test in the bottom right to run. Because LLM steps can take several minutes, the video shortens this section. Once it finishes, click the variable extract block, select the address field in the input, and extract it as your address variable. You can now review the results produced by the LLM block. Add an email block inside the for each block, connect it to the variable extract block, and then link it to the end block. In the email editor settings, choose your email variable for the To field and enter a subject line. Enable Use HTML in the body, enter your content, and insert any variables as needed. Use the previously extracted variables to deliver the billing report based on customer information and categories. Click Test in the bottom right to execute. Open the generated file to verify the billing report at the extracted address and check the other blocks as well. Check your email to see the sent message and click the link to view the billing report. If you'd like to refine the design, add an input text block inside the For Each block and connect it to the start. In the input text editor, paste your reference HTML, run it, and review the updated data. In the input text editor, enter the HTML reference, run it, and confirm the output. Connect the input text block to the LLM block and click Test to execute. Because you can't add new blocks while the agent is running, click Stop first, then restart the workflow. Once the run completes, check your email again and click the link to view the billing report. Notice the layout has been slightly updated. To add design elements to the email, include HTML in the email content and insert variables to personalize the user's name and address. Run it again, and when it's done, check the email to see the new design. If you still want to enhance the billing design further, refine your prompt in the LLM block with more detail. Run it once more, then check your email and click View Billing Report to see the final output as specified by your prompt. If you only need to update the data while keeping the same design, work with an expert to add custom scripts and generate the precise billing report you need. Complex cost analysis and repetitive reporting, now AI handles it automatically. Automate your data with SCLAB Studio.